Prove that the straight line a plus b x plus a minus by plus 2ab equals 0 and a minus bx plus a plus by equal 2ab and x plus y equals 0. Form an isosceles triangle whose vertex angle is 2 tan inverse a by b. Firstly, we find the intersection point of AB, AC and BC, and so that it is for, since triangle, we have to show that triangle is isosceles, means we have to show that at least two sides are equal, means especially intersection of AB and AC. Equation of AB is a plus bx AC a minus bx x plus y equal 0. हम इसे डायरेक्ट सॉल्व कर रहे हैं, मीन्स इट इज इक्वेशन 1, 2 and 3 from 1 and 3 means x plus y equal 0 means value of x is minus y यहाँ पर रख रहे हैं हम और y कॉमन ले लें अगर तो माइनस ए माइनस बी प्लस ए माइनस बी equal to ab and value of y is minus 2b cancel out minus a and value of x is minus y means value of x is a. Then equation of 1 and 3, intersection of 1 and 3 is a comma minus a, coordinate of point B. Now from 2 and 3 value of x is minus y यहाँ पर रख रहे हैं, then y common minus a plus b equal to ab, then value of y is a and value of x is minus a, then coordinate of point C is minus a comma a. Now for coordinate of point A we have to solve both these equations. Equation 1 a plus b x plus a minus by equal to ab, it is 1 and 2 a minus bx plus a plus by equal to ab, it is equation 2. We have to find the value of x and y, means intersection of AB and AC, We multiply first equation by a minus b and second equation by a plus b and subtract these equation. We get a minus b into a plus b into a minus b, and subtract x, cancel out. We have y a minus b whole square means a square plus b square minus 2ab, and minus a square minus b square minus 2ab. 2ab into a minus b, 2ab into a plus b, 2ab common. We have a minus b minus a minus b, a cancel out. Then y equal a square b square cancel out. 2ab into minus 2b by minus 4ab, minus cancel out. Y equal b, and put y equal b in first equation. We have a plus bx, y equal b means a minus b into b equal 2ab. Then it is x equal 2ab minus ab plus b square by a plus b. Then we have b common, a plus b by a plus b. Value of x is also b, means coordinate of a is b comma b. It is b comma b. Now we have to show that triangle ABC is isosceles. Firstly, we find the length of AB, distance between 2 points b minus a square, b plus a square. Then it is equal b square plus a square plus 2ab, b square plus a square, sorry, it is minus 2ab, and it is plus 2ab. 2ab cancel out, and we have ab equal twice root a square plus b square. For AC, distance between point A and C, we have b plus a square, b minus a square. On solving, we get 2 times a square plus b square. Since AB equal AC, then is isosceles. Then triangle is isosceles. Now slope of AB m1 equal slope of AC and we have to show that angle between AB and AC is 2 tan inverse A by B. Then tan theta equal, angle between AB and AC is theta, then tan theta equal m1 minus m2 by 1 plus m1 m2. We have m1 is a plus b by b minus a, and m2 is one plus m1 into m2. A plus b, b minus a cancel out. We have a plus b square one plus one now we have a square plus b square plus 2ab minus a square minus b square plus 2ab by twice b square minus a square and it is 4ab by 2. 4ab by 2 means 2ab by b square minus a square. Now we know that tan theta, formula for tan 2a is 2 tan a upon 1 minus tan square a. Then tan theta equal 2 tan theta by 2 tan theta by 2 by 1 minus tan square theta by 2. It is formula for tan theta. Then we have b common, means 2ab, b common from denominator. We have 1 minus a square by b square, b cancel out, and we have 2 into a by b, 1 minus a by b square. Now compare these two terms. We get tan theta by 2 equal a by b, then theta by 2 equal tan inverse a by b, then theta equal 2 tan inverse a by b, and it is answer.